Just imagine that this is a huge tree and remove the elements that are not natural for an overgrown tree. So don't think too much, just cut the elements that's not looking right. This jade plant is almost 6 years old now, and today we're going to prune this plant to make it look more like a bonsai. Of course, this is not an absolute bonsai, but still we are trying to make it look better. There are many ways we can shape this plant, but the basic aesthetic idea is to cut off the branches crossing each other. That also includes the trunk. I did some few maintenance pruning here and there, but no major styling pruning until today. For instance, I pruned these 2 branches protruding from the trunk that was blocking the view. So this is basically clearing the ugly part, preparing for the future looks. It's just a maintenance look. At the moment, the leaves are much smaller than the ones I had last year. Intentionally, I pinch off the larger leaves to make way for the new shoots and branches. Smaller leaves on the branches means proportionately making the trunk and branches look bigger and older. And there are 4 possible ways that I have in my mind right now. Firstly, I would like to cover this part and see how the half part looks here. I would like to cut this branch off that's blocking the view here. So this is going to be another plant. I guess that looks a lot better now. I wish to keep the shape as triangular as possible, like this, and like this. Triangular shape will be more appealing. Also, I want to cut more branches and leaves that are blocking the trunk, and larger branches, such as this is blocking the other branch, and this is blocking the other branch at the rear. But before that, I would like to consider checking the looks from the other side as well. These 4 branches, 1, 2, 3, 4, have similar size. And to make it more interesting, I wish to cut one of the branches for balance and aesthetic feel. Probably I will go for this guy, and I will make another 3 out of this. Let me reverse the other side. Here it is. Oops. Like this. Okay. So this branch is directly coming towards you. It's blocking your view. And also it's not going up, it's going towards us. And also this branch, if we cut this branch, we will be left with this one. That's still okay. But from the other side, since this branch has the same size as that of others, I wish to cut this branch. Also, I would like to eliminate some few foliage here from this area. Also from here as well. So either this or this will be going. Before we cut the bigger branch, I would like to do some few maintenance here. Such as this. I think I should cut off the middle branch. Without thinking much, I want to cut this off. Let's see how it looks. Let's go and check the close-up. So the branches are more visible and more beautiful. Now, as you can see, the branches and the veins are now slowly showing up. So actually these branches are too dull. We should have cut it from here. Let me show you the close-up. We should have cut it from here so that we can encourage new branches to grow from here.